Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the dust bag on your DREAME Aqua10 roller. At first you'll find this door right here. Hold it on the bottom right here and pull it forward. Now you'll see the dust bag right here. And now if you'd like to remove it, you'll see this little tab here. You need to pull it and it'll get removed. Technically it should close itself automatically. It didn't do that though, but you can still close it by pulling it. So basically you can pull it and you should be able to close it. Somehow I'm unable to do that. Sorry, something happened. So yeah, you can just pull it like that to close it and then throw it out. To put a new one in, just slide it in here where the dust bag goes and it's done. So that's pretty easy, I think. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.